Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Thursday morning, so let's go and have our breakfast. So today we have apple juice, upma, boiled egg, onion uttapam, sambar and chocos. So it's around 10 a.m. and today I will not study anything because I have tons of video to edit. As I'm making the video of the whole week, my phone ran out of storage. My hard drive is very low at storage, so I have to edit the video and delete the old one. And I will also leave on Saturday, so I have to start packing the whole things. This many stuffs and this many clothes. So yeah. So many people were requesting about the VMart vlog, so I'm going now. We have to do some shopping unnecessarily. Still for the video, anything is fine. So for Thursday lunch, we have baby chili con masala, dal fry, lady's finger, pineapple, papad and veg pulao. So I had my lunch and now I'm taking rest. Meanwhile, I was browsing some website and I found this. Like VIT has this also. Oh my god, I should have taken this only. At least I should have followed my passion. But anyways, it's always too late. 2 hours later. So let's go for a walk now. I am wearing the same t-shirt which I wore yesterday. I don't want to take new t-shirt because I have to start packing today itself. So now let's go to the mess, have the snacks and continue walking. So this is we have, it's called aloo bonda and we get 2 pieces of it. So after doing the walk and having snacks, I will play this game for some time and then we will head for the dinner. 150. So today we have puri, potato masala, egg fry rice, tomato ketchup and banana milkshake along with hot and sour soup. Another Thursday we get the same menu but instead of potato masala we get chola. Can you guess how much minute it took? Less than 5 minutes. Yes, you have to believe me. Like everything was ironed and stack by stack in the rack. So just I have to put it from here to there. Like I can show you one set is still remaining. Like this. All the sets were properly in a size. So just I have to put from here to there. So this was almost 80% packing done of only clothes. This all thing you can see, small thing. This will take a lot of time, this small thing and all, because then you have to use your brain, like what should I take, what should I not take, how much space it will take. So that thing I will do tomorrow morning. Now I am completing the cloth section. So these cloths are unwashed cloths. So to not to mix with them, I will apply the layer of bed sheets. Like these are all bed sheets. So first I will put bed sheets over there. Then above bed sheets, this cloth will be there. So that in the home I can wash only this cloth and it does not get mixed anywhere. I think attendance one has came. Let me go. So actually till a span of 4 years I have collected many sensor, wires and many things which I will be giving free. Like some of them are from my roommate, he left it. This is mine, this is mine. So I will message in a group and anyone who wants can take it. So currently I am at home and I cannot find the outro clip, so I am shooting it here. So this is how I spent my Thursday in VIT. I know this vlog was very short because of I have to do packing, I have to go for warden office to sign here, go to proctor and here and there. That's why the video got short. So thanks for watching this video. I will see you next time.